I've just discovered that playing cards can actually perform ordinary arithmetic. I was amazed when I saw this. So as you can see, I have a good selection of cards, different values and colors and suits. Now since the two of us saw the cards, why don't we go ahead and just scramble these thoroughly. Okay, and we can follow it up with the Klondike Shuffle. Like this. Okay, and now let's go ahead. We're going to just do ordinary simple arithmetic. So 1 plus 1 EQUALS is equal to 2. Excellent. 2 PLUS plus 2 EQUALS equals, yes indeed, 4. 4 PLUS plus 4 EQUALS equals 8, yes. And then 8 PLUS plus 8 EQUALS 16. Excellent job. So I don't know if you've seen playing cards perform arithmetic before, but now you have. And if you start with the beginning arrangement of cards that I showed you, this will work perfectly. And by the way, I performed a Mange over-under and then a Klondike Shuffle. Those two together leave the cards in their original state, so they constitute a false shuffle. Okay, so that's just to give the illusion of mixing the cards, but they actually together leave the cards alone. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.